Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Anna, and this is your ultimate guide to navigating the US dental licensing process for international dentists. If you are new here, this channel is all about breaking down the complex steps in this journey from getting licensed to thriving as a dentist in the US. We've already covered essential topics like dental registration and credential evaluations, so check out those videos if you haven't yet. Today's focus is the INBDE, the Integrated National Board Dental Examination. This is a critical milestone for international dentists aiming to practice in the US. We'll cover how to register for the exam, the structure and content of the INBDE, the best resources for preparation, what to expect on the exam date, and Q&A section answering the most common questions about the INBDE. At the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to feel confident and prepared. So let's dive in. How to register for the INBDE exam. The first step in your INBDE journey is the registration. Here is a simple and step-by-step guide. Get your DENPIN, register for it on the ADA website, then ensure your ECE course-by-course evaluation is sent to the GCNDE. This verifies your international degree. And then register online, log into the GCNDE portal, complete the application form and pay $800. If I'm not mistaken, it's the right amount for now. Wait for an approval email with scheduling instructions, and then you can schedule your exam. Once approved, schedule your exam at a Prometric testing center. Test dates fill up quickly, so plan ahead and be aware that you need to travel to the United States to take the exam. There is no online options, no other ways to take it. Now let's talk about what the INBDE entails. The INBDE is a 1.5-day exam with approximately 500 multiple choice questions. Topics include clinical dentistry, biomedical sciences, ethics, and patient management. The scoring system is pass and fail with a passing score of 75 or higher. Failing scores are usually not reported for any feedback. The INBDE content is updated periodically to maintain exam integrity and reflect evolving dental practices. Always use current study materials to prepare effectively. I highly recommend to check out the Mental Dental YouTube channel, which covers all the basic questions from the INBDE and the new updates of its structure and other news regarding the exam. Effective preparation is key to passing the INBDE. Here are the best resources to help you succeed. Some of the books include Dental Decks, flashcards covering all exam topics, First Aid for the INBDE. This is a popular book that simplifies the key and complex concepts. Then online resources such as Mental Dental YouTube channel, as I said, free comprehensive video lectures, well-organized and cover material. INBDE Bootcamp. It's a platform with videos, quizzes, and full-length tests. There is Dr. Ryan's Academy that offers focus prep courses, and INBDE Booster, great for additional practice questions. You need to go over as many practice tests as possible, so you can purchase some of the ADA exam practice tests to prep for your timing and for the structure of the exam. Combine all these resources for a balanced prep strategy. For example, use Dental Decks for theory, INBDE Bootcamp for practice, and ADA tests for exam simulation. Knowing what to expect on exam day can ease your anxiety. So what to expect? Arrive 30 minutes earlier to the Prometric Center with 2 forms of ID. Prometric staff will verify your identity and store your personal items, help you store your personal items in a locker. So during the exam, what to expect? The exam is computer-based with scheduled breaks. Questions are presented in random order, mixing clinical scenarios with basic sciences. After the exam, you'll get an email with your official scores. Usually it will take around 6 weeks. Bring snacks and water for breaks and dress comfortably for a long testing day. Now let's answer some of the most common questions about the INBDE. How long should I prepare for the INBDE? Plan 4 to 6 months of focused study with at least 4 to 6 hours of daily preparation. What if I fail the INBDE? You can retake it, but there are limits on attempts. Use your failure report to target weak areas. Are study groups helpful? Yes, joining groups on Facebook or forums can provide accountability and shared resources, so do it. How should I manage exam anxiety? Practice mindfulness, take breaks, and simulate test conditions during preparation. This will help you a lot to stay focused, organized, and keep your anxiety on a low level. While preparing for the INBDE, gaining US-based dental experience can strengthen your application. With the US experience, focus on enhancing your clinical and research skills. Start contacting clinics for shadowing or volunteering opportunities. Allow time for visa arrangements if needed. To wrap up today's video, register for your DentPin and schedule your exam early. Use high-quality resources like Dental Dex and INBDE Bootcamp. Plan your study timeline and stay consistent. And don't forget to download my free cheat sheet for a quick overview of the dental licensing process, including essential links and resources. And check out the comprehensive guide with insider tips, detailed strategies, and clinical success points. It's all in the description. Finally, don't forget to watch my other videos on DentPin registration, credential evaluations, CABIT applications, and more to understand the complete process. Like, subscribe, and leave your questions below, and I'll see you in the next video.